So today we're gonna be working on the Onigiri BOMOs that are incense burners, and I'm gonna be showing you step by step the sculpting process of those ones. We are gonna be weighting the pieces because I'm having the same amount of clay for each piece. Like this, I make sure that all of them are gonna turn out the same. I think this is one design that I had in mind for a long while. I love Japan, I've never been there, but I love their culture, and this next collection that is gonna be coming soon. I'm currently working on the first pieces, which are the Onigiris. It's inspired and based on Japanese pottery, also food, shapes and style. So today we're gonna be just hand building those little ones, and I hope you enjoy it, I hope you like it. And I'm gonna be showing you also the tools I'm using and sharing a bit of the insights. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Let's make them.
You gave me something to believe in back when I was at my wit's end. Wake up from terrors in the night, you hold me close and say I'm dreaming. Don't let me down, no, don't let this drown, no. Just put your bags down, no need to cry now. I never wanna fall in love with you again. You say that it won't be the same as last time, but I don't believe a single word that you said. I try to tell myself that it was worth it, but I still fall apart when I hear your name, and maybe I feel that I deserve it. You bailed me out of every prison that my soul found its way in. I can't believe I fell apart before it started, now I'm praying that you keep the light on, I must have come home. This thing's too far gone, it's time to move on. I never wanna fall in love with you again. You say that it won't be the same as last time, but I don't believe a single word that you said. I try to tell myself that it was worth it, but I still fall apart when I hear your name, and maybe I feel that I deserve it. I never wanna fall in love with you again. You say that it won't be the same as last time, but I don't believe a single word you said. I try to tell myself that it was worth it, but I still fall apart when I hear your name, and maybe I feel that I deserve it.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Maybe it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, you caught my eye. Whatever, should I cross that line? I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Mixed signals, can't understand what she's been saying, but my mind's fickle, don't know what game I've been playing. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. Yeah, we cooling in the back with the drinks, making us a little bit tipsy, baby. Yeah, I just know. Baby, I just know. And I know that you had me on your mind with the look on your face, turned a little bit frisky. Baby, I just know. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing.
I got my toes in the sand, I got my hands in your hair. There's not a care, nobody cares with you, baby. Summer breeze, birds playing in the trees. Looking back, oh sweet memories. Summer breeze. The way you got me grooving, my feet can't stop. No street to hold me down.
You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing.
I don't know where you going, I wanna be with you. I don't know where we stopping, we gonna ride this.
And we finally have them here ready, finished. They are dry already, so the next step is gonna be firing them and glazing them. I don't know if I wanna glaze them with a clear glaze or if I will leave them just raw. Most probably I will glaze them, but yeah, so thank you so much for joining, for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any suggestions for me to make, please go ahead and comment down below, because yeah, it's always nice to discover new designs with you. Bye bye, see you, love you, and see you next time.